Okay, welcome back. I'm gonna do the actually refill using the polygel gelish and the dual system form. I'm using for this finger the number 6. You can tell guys that is the right shape. You don't have to push it. If you push, this one is gonna get big, but you just check every angle and see I cover the full nails like this. Gonna get my lamp here ready, my LED lamp, and I'm getting my gelish gel here. So much I'm gonna use it. I'm apply on the dual system form after I clean the dual system form with Scrub Fresh from C&D. That's what we have. Now I'm gonna dip my brush on the slip solution and clean the brush from the slip solution more as possible, and starting working on the actually gelish polish gel. Now, there's something inside here. Let me just remove it. I'm working the gelish polygel all around the edge, not too much here. Okay. That's what we have, and I'm gonna apply it to the nails like this. And I'm not gonna push down. I'm just gonna slowly adjust the shape like this with very soft movement. I keep my nails on top like this. Try to make the polygel go all around the nails. We don't want this corner to be without gel. There, with the brush, I just clean up the area around like this. We don't have like a gel on the cuticle area. It will prevent lifting. Like you see guys, I'm not working with so much slip solution, and I'm keeping my finger like this on top. Sure, if I do a client I don't have to do this, but on myself, pretty basic. You guys have to be a little bit more use a fantasy and try to be a little bit smart and using the best solution to keep the nails down when you do this kind of job, the dual form. Now I don't really care about this like an area here, but still I'm gonna work around a little bit. This is not too much material for me to remove when I'm file it. You know guys, the only thing I don't like the polygel is the actually filing powder. That's the dust isn't insane. And that's it. We're ready to go. Let's remove this here to go inside the lamp. See, I push it too much, but it's okay. I can clean it. That's it. Clean it up. And this one is gonna go inside the lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm cleaning my brush. slip solution go away. And this one have to be clean too. Perfect. I'm moving this one away because I don't want the dust, because probably I have to fight a little bit to get in the brush. And I'm gonna show you the tutorial using the C&D Shellac Ecstasy. That's the new color come out for the spring. And from C&D Shellac, the matte top coat. Okay. Let me show you guys how easy it is to remove this one. That's it. It's pretty good and balanced. There's just this one that I told everybody already about before, that I don't like this little step here. That one I'm gonna file this little step just to make more smooth transition. And I'm gonna file around to give it like a nice almond shape. With the brush from here, I'm getting my Indigo 150. I'm not live because I have a client that's coming in soon, and I don't want you guys to get in the middle of the conversation on me and my client. For that, I'm recording, but it's done actually the same day I remove my stiletto. And I'm just to say, guys, I'm working with the actually camera in the middle, but that's not easy for me to have a good movement with my arms. Okay, just so difficult. Let me try to see the shape. I don't want it too pointy. This is unbalanced. One moment, guys. I'm not seeing what I'm doing. Yeah, that's nice. That's a little bit too much dust here. Okay, let me clean this. Just get this one from Indigo. That's really nice. It's a little brush that clean under, you know, the nails. So cool. Really love it. Okay, just to show you guys, I'm still have to remove this one, but the nails is pretty cool and nice all that way around. I'm just gonna remove this little step here. I'm getting my little file to change the point with my fine point, my Todakusa ceramic point, and good to go. Okay, this is uncomfortable. Okay, just this little step, nothing crazy. It's important to remove this little step. Oh, I lost my phone. Here's sorry. It's important to remove this little step because when the nails you have the regrow of the nails, it's kind of no aesthetically beautiful to see this little step. You always want this nice and fluid transition, like you don't see the regrow of the nails. It's actually, you have to give it that to the client like this with the refill when they're the refill when they're coming. You don't have to work too much to blend the new refill gel on it. Okay. I hear people that just do the dual system for and leave it like that. I can do that, but kind of I think it's not professional to live like that, because I hear people like, oh, you can do this one at home. Dual system form, there still be professional product. I don't think you can use them at home because you still have to know a list out acrylic and hard gel work to use this one. I'm not actually suggest people to use the dual system form with soft gel, because it's very, even for me that I'm a professional, to actually work with the soft gel with the dual system, and I think it's always better for a professional to use this kind of stuff. But if you want to start in doing nails, sure, dual system, it's a good step. It's an easy step to do it. Okay, now what I say, I'm using my Ecstasy. Cindy, I can just shake in the bottle a minute. This is just a new color that I got yesterday. And because I have to do all my nails again, just to get the occasion to using it today, I will probably do all my nails for spring this color. And it's actually a beautiful color. And I have this idea for spring to do this drops design to my nails. I'm expecting so many product from Born Pretty, and they still didn't ship it to me. I'm still waiting for them. And I get like a new nail polish, new decoration, new crystal. Then I'm gonna use it for my new collection for spring for my clientele. And the C&D actually did like a, this is a one, I think the color I like it. The other one, they're very pastel color, like a yellowish, turquoise. It's kind of again repeating with the color. And I have a most whole. I'm just gonna show you guys. Like that one, it's mine. My wall with the color. That one has the color that I just put it on. It's my spring collection. I have my winter collection in a box right now. Yes, you see guys, I'm expecting for my clientele to come in for tattoo. That's my tattoo machine ready there. But I decide to do it in this how we're like this is a little tutorial for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, second coat. It's a beautiful fuchsia. It's really nice actually. I like the color so much. Sorry guys, sometimes I get away with the hand. Yeah, don't having that little step, it actually it give you the possibility to go a little bit further with the brush and connect it to the nails. It's like you don't have the gap. Like this is the gap at 2 weeks regrow. You guys see it? See, this is the gap. Already my cuticle is growing, but you can see there is no step. That's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about don't having the step on the nails. it looks very weird. It looks like I'm finished it. It doesn't look professional at all. I'm talking with the professional, actually. Oh, sorry, guys. With the esthetician out there. I'm not talking with you guys that just starting doing nails. It's completely understandable if you leave it a little step because you don't know how to file. You don't want to cut your cuticle area. You don't want to like go and make damage to the area around the cuticle. Sometimes people get a little bit deeper and they don't have like disposable sterilized stuff like implements, and they make infection. That's completely understandable. I think dual system 4 really help with this idea at actually working with something that's everybody can use. This one are mine. They're actually the original the original one. They say DSF dual system 4. This one I buy this one 7 years ago. Okay, we're done with the step for the gel polish. Now I'm using this C&D shellac matte top coat. That's actually surprised me because it's really good. I always use the OPI because I found it was really good, but this one actually is good too. You just guys have to be sure 100% that you apply all the top coat in every area. If you know, you will not have the matte looking nails. Yes, like this. Let me clean up. Okay, go back for 1 minute. I'm closing mine. Again, I'm gonna show you again what it is the matte C&D shellac. They are the new top coat. C&D did the matte one, did the, let me see if I can get the other one for you guys. It's called the sparkly. That's very cool too. Is this, no, sorry, not the sparkly, the pearl one. It give it to the nails this little kind of pearlish reflection. Pretty cool too. And the regular one, top coat, the C&D always have it. Okay, now I'm gonna use this top coat that is no wipe. It's a cheap one. I'm only using to do decoration most of the times, or nail art. Almost there. Yes. Okay, gonna show you. I'm using my Scrub Fresh, cleaning everything. Really good. And you guys can see, I missed this area. No, I didn't. Okay, you guys can see it's nice and matte. Okay, now if you want to go a little bit matte, more matte, you can apply a second coat, but I'm okay with this. I'm just gonna apply the other top coat easily, like a dropping. Can you recreate like the tea drops like this? Let me just put a small one here and a little one here. Okay. Yep, like this. Okay, you get in this one, and slowly you put your finger inside the lamp, and another minute in the LED lamp. And like I say, that one is no wipe top coat. This one is from Wonder Gel. I don't even remember when I buy this one. I really using it just for nail art. I'll show you how cool look inside. See if I can do it. Did you guys see it? It looks so cool. Very cool. And I'm gonna get my oil. Almost done. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Done. Here it is. Did you guys see it? It's pretty cute. Looks like a little drop of water. And the matte surface, the background, it make like a shiny, looks like a little pearl. And they're perfectly dry. Okay. This was the tutorial for the tea drops nail polish top coat, whatever you want to call. Okay, bye, see you next time.